Chicken Tikka is a famous chicken dish in India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan that originated in the Indian subcontinent. It's essentially a boneless variation of tandoori chicken, with small pieces of boneless chicken cooked on skewers over a brazier called onguti after marinating in Indian spices and dahi. However, the Kashmiri version is cooked over red-hot coals and does not always include boneless chunks. Tikka is a Persian word that means bits or parts. In Punjabi cuisine, it's also a chicken dish. In modern-day Pakistan, kebabs come in all sorts of varieties such as Sikh, chapli, shami, and other forms of roasted and grilled meats. As Pakistan is a predominantly Muslim country, pork is not used. Instead, meats like beef, chicken, lamb, fish and sometimes buffalo are used in the making of kebabs.
एक कबाब एक वहां पे टिक्का एक पीस में खाता ऐसे खाना नान रोटी एक भी नान